Welcome everyone. In part 1 of how to make a spooky mansion, we learned how to create a nighttime scene with a thunderstorm visible through the window. There is a link to part 1 provided in the description. In this tutorial, part 2, the spookiness continues as the pictures in the image transform when flashes of lightning occur. Not only the pictures, but Tom and Lenka also transform when lightning flashes. Keep watching and I'll show you how. This is Randy
and Patrick
with more Create Studio 3 tips. Most people want to know how the lightning flashes transform the characters I'm setting. To get to the point, I won't be covering the background creation techniques in this video. There are plenty of tutorials available, either from me or my Create Studio colleagues, that explain these methods in detail. If you have questions about a specific technique and need a tutorial, feel free to leave a comment and I'll provide a link. So, this tutorial will not show how the portrait of Tom and Lenka was made, how to use the distort feature to fit it into the frame, and how to use masking to get their pictures in the frames on the back wall. I also will not share how I got Lenka and Tom to enter the room at an angle, how to synchronize their actions to the audio, and how to lip sync Lenka with the audio. Also, I will not share how character view animations were used to have the characters look at each other and then in the portrait on the wall. But after all that has been accomplished, publish the video and give it a meaningful name like Spooky Mansion.
What? You can't publish yet. The video doesn't have any clowns.
Hang on, Patrick. I am getting to that now. Save your work to a new project and call it Clown Mansion. Now customize Tom and Lenka so that they have a clown suit and hairstyle. Remove their pictures from the walls and the shapes from part 1 of our tutorial that made the room dark. This will be the scene when a lightning flash occurs, so we need to brighten the image. I will not spend time here on how to use the color correction effect to make the image bright, nor will I share how to create the shadow. So this project now has Clown Tom and Lenka doing the same actions and dialogue as the normal Tom and Lenka in the Spooky Mansion video, except this time in clown clothing with the original spooky background. After all these changes have been made, publish the video and call it Clown Mansion. Okay, so now we have published 2 videos, one with normal Tom and Lenka in the nighttime scene with their pictures on the walls, and the second with Clown Tom and Lenka in very bright light. Now we are ready to create the lightning flashes. Start a new Create Studio project. Import the Spooky Mansion video and the Clown Mansion video. Drag both videos onto the timeline and have the Clown Mansion video on the top track. With the top track selected, change the opacity to 0%. Play the video and find the spot where you want a lightning flash to appear. Add an opacity animation to the top track. Drag the second keyframe left until it stops. Click on the last keyframe to ensure the playhead is on that keyframe, and then change the opacity value to 100%. Now you can see the bright colors. A lightning flash isn't very long, so click on this double triangle icon anywhere from 9 to 12 frames. That will create a flash for 0.3 of a second to 0.4 of a second. After advancing the playhead, add another opacity animation. Drag the last keyframe all the way left and change the opacity to 0%. There, the lightning flash has gone away. It is just a matter of adding these lightning flashes to your project. You can even make the lightning seem to flicker. Add an opacity animation, drag the last keyframe left, set the opacity to 100%. Advance the playhead 9 frames and add another opacity animation. Again, drag that last keyframe to the left, and this time drop the opacity to 85%. Advance the playhead 1 frame. Add another opacity animation, drag the last keyframe left and change the opacity to 100%. Advance the playhead 9 to 12 frames and add another opacity animation to end the lightning flash. Let's fast forward through the remaining lightning flashes and see how that looks.
Tom, is this mansion haunted? Look, it has our portrait on the wall. Oh no, we're turning into clowns. This place is haunted. We gotta get out of here.
That looks great, but it would be even better with thunder cracking. Here, try this. Kaboom!
Patrick, that is a good idea. But instead of your kaboom, we can search the thunder sound effects in Create Studio. Click on the speaker icon and then click on FX, where the sound effects can be found. Search for thunder and drag it onto the timeline. There you go. That is how you can create a spooky mansion using Create Studio 3.
Hey everyone, have a good day and spoopty creating.